Hey y'all, so it's Monday. I haven't really done anything today. Like, I'm just gonna start the vlog here even though it's nighttime. It's 8:30 and I just got home. I'm just catching up on some YouTube. I took my makeup off and I'm about to do my skincare. And I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do. I took my makeup off using my eye makeup. I took off using this Beauty 360 Gentle Eye Makeup Remover, which is just as good as the Neutrogena, and it doesn't irritate my eyes whatsoever. And I used the Garnier, just the original micellar water, and I'm almost out of this. It's like at the bottom. I need to get some more. I got the big one last time and it lasted a very long time. And what I do is I'm going to wash my face with the CeraVe oily, normal to oily foaming face wash. And then use the Thayer's Witch Hazel Toner, which I'm almost out of. I have the tiniest bit left, enough for tonight, but like. And then what I do is, there's a lot of Garnier in my routine. I've just noticed that. And then, I don't know if they still sell this or not. I hope they do. I use the Garnier Mist afterward, just as a little bit of a hydrator, and it has salicylic acid in it, so I kind of use it as a little bit of acne treatment, even though like that's not what it says it's for. If not, you could also just use this Olay Mist, which is the calming aloe leaf and chamomile, which is another aloe product. And then I will put on a night cream / sleeping mask. The Hydrobiotic by Dr. Brandt has been a fave recently. I also like this Pixie one, but this is a little bit thicker. So I like to use this when my skin's really dry. And then sometimes I'll put an oil on top. It depends. I'll use either rosehip oil or something like that. I feel like I talked about this in a video. But I have my morning skincare routine on TikTok. If you want to check it out. I put my username in the description box. But yeah. So right now I'm just eating some animal crackers, gluten-free. I wanted to see, like, I just wanted to try gluten-free kind for some reason. I don't have a gluten allergy or anything. Hey, so I got done with my makeup. I didn't do much eye-wise. I put on a little bit of brown mascara and brown crease color. Why is this not focusing? Focus. Focus on my face. Focus on my face. Okay, now it's finally wanting to focus. So, yeah, let me turn this fan off. I just got done eating lunch. I ate a Caesar salad, and it was really good. Honestly, I'm still a little bit hungry, though, because, honestly, I didn't put any chicken or anything in it, so I feel like I'm not full or anything. Which I don't want to be full, but, I mean, I feel like I didn't really eat much. Got done changing the baby's clothes. I need to, feed her, so I'm gonna go feed her, and then I will talk to you guys. Hey y'all, so I've been half asleep all day. It's literally 2:48, but I'm like very tired. I just did my makeup. I used the ColourPop Peach palette. I just used concealer on my eyes and on any blemishes and set that. I have no idea what my dogs are barking at. But basically I went to Target earlier and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. They came out with this new rose water micellar water. It has with rose water and glycerin, removes makeup, cleanses, and hydrates. No harsh rubbing and all the same things as the other one. And I was out of toner, so I bought this coconut water toner from Thayer's. I normally buy the cucumber scent, but I decided to buy that scent today. Just because I wanted to try some new things. And I bought this EOS, I think it's pronounced EOS, Shea Butter Hand Cream Lavender. I didn't film in there because I forgot my phone and my camera, and just I basically didn't bring anything with me. What did I got something else, but I can't seem to bring it to myself what that was. Oh yeah, I don't even know if I showed you guys. On Amazon the other day, I got this Olay Face Mist Essence, Aloe Leaf and Chamomile. So, yeah. And I got some popcorn, white cheddar popcorn. Oh, I know I got something else, but I don't know what it is. And then I went to Dollar Tree and got some Halloween candy. Because Trick or Treat is Monday, I think. It's Trick or Treat Monday. It's coming up. Oh yeah, in the midst of all that barking and everything, why is the light behind me so strong? I have on my Halloween sweater. What are you doing? Oh, he's bathing himself, apparently. I'm just like, what the hell is... Sneak peek of my next torrent haul. That's all I'm gonna show because it is top secret. No, I'm playing. It ain't really top secret. I have no idea what's on TV right now, but I'm just sitting here with my sister. I didn't really do anything else. You gonna say hi? Hi, precious girl. Yeah, I'm just sitting here with my sister. I just did a good scrub on my skin, and the texture's looking a little better. I need to use Curology again because my skin was getting clear, like it was looking good. And now I don't have any more Curology. I need to buy it. But yeah. Hey y'all, so it is 12:43. I just got out the shower. I have on this shirt from Lane Bryant and a pair of black leggings. I just did my hair. I have my products sitting over there on my bed. I use the Main Choice Pink Lemonade curl creme. I'm only gonna tell you about the products I recommend because there's one product in there. The Aunt Jackie's Not Be Gone. It sucks. It makes my hair dry. Just holding the baby. And what are you doing, Bear? I don't know what he's doing. Some type of weirdness.